Go, John. John, put both feet on it. Both feet. Both feet. It's hard to.
You got tired already.
It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Go, go, go.
Come on.
You gotta go all the way down.
You gotta go all the way down.
All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. You gotta push all the way down. There you go. That's getting a lot of pressure. Listen. They did it.
They did
it. A lot more air bubbles.
Houston. Hey, did y'all catch that puck?
They have a problem. Oh. Somebody better bump some more. Better bump some more. Somebody hop on there. Take over. Take over. Go. All the way down as much as you can.
He's making a bunch of people come. You gotta have a leak.
You have a leaking problem? We have a horsepower problem. Hey, can we go on top of the roof and just let it go?
That's right.
Stop, man. Go quick. Keep going. Hey. Work it, man.
It's on the ground, that's what, man.
How many persons does it have?
They might have a leak.
It's on the ground, huh?
It's got 100. It's got 100.
No, it's good if it's got pressure. If it's got pressure coming back.
Make
sure the cap is tight. Or did you guys throw onto the bottom? That's supposed to be free, so it could lift off of there. If it's stuck in the ground there, it looks pretty low, like it's stuck in. Yeah.
But even with the pressure, it still should take off.
Yeah, that's a lot of pressure.
They got 100. Don't stand over.
Check your hoses, guys. Hey, Bob, no, it's tight, though, go. Make sure that's not sitting on the grass. That's what it is.
Well, it would have took off.
That was a good job.
Okay, that was a good job. Come back to you guys. Come back.
Water right there.
Your height.
Water right there.